Hi, my name is Firdaus. I am the Technology Manager at Teach For Malaysia. In my role, I help to plan and build the technology infrastructure at Teach For Malaysia, do the digital transformation, as well as improving the overall operational efficiency. Thanks. Ooh, okay. Wow. The last time I played this, I was still probably like 5 or 6 years old. Still a kid. How do you play this? Okay, I'll choose blue. So that's B-L-U-E. And then I choose number 4. That's F-O-U-R. Oh. And then I choose 5. Okay, it says sepak takraw. Okay, so I started in Teach For Malaysia in the talent acquisition team, recruiting Malaysians in the overseas portfolio. I was there for about 3 years, and then I moved to the Program Bita Guru team in the stakeholder engagement and operations role. I was there for about 1.5 years, and then now I am in the tech role for the last 1 year almost. Okay, let's do orange. That's O-R-A-N-G-E. And then let's do number 6. That's S-I-X. And then I'll pick lucky number 7, which is Batu Seremban. So the biggest skill that I've learned in TFM quite varies. In my earlier role, I learned a lot of stakeholder engagement, storytelling, persuasion. And then when I was in my next role after that, I think I used a lot of like Excel skills there. I learned a lot and picked up a lot of like new skill set, anything regarded to Excel. In my current role, I learned a lot about more on the digital transformation side. Okay, let's choose blue. B-L-U-E. Let's choose 2. T-W. Oh, 0. Okay, and then choose number 4. That's Lily. You would probably be inside out. So similar to Riley's journey growing up, forming her traits. I think my time here in TFM, I've felt a lot of emotion, sadness, happiness, a lot of memories here that has shaped me for who I am today. I'm very proud and very happy to be here. Okay, I choose yellow. That's Y-E-L-L-O-W. And then I choose 6. S-I-X. And then I choose 1. And to spell better. Okay, this is a chapair. Okay, so I come from an engineering background, never thought I would end up here. But I would tell myself on the very first day that you've made the right choice to be here. I am the technology